Viewers and subscribers, bless up on yourself. Now we switch part, them must say the unruly boss. I look upon some charges after the brawl where circulate all over the internet. Now, people them must say, Papi have to watch himself cause it really look like say them old forget Papi out of the system right now. It's like Papi I get too big right now and them not really like that. You see it? So it's like the people them must say, yo, Papi, I feel bill. Me hear all her sister and I send a message to him old lady and I say, yo, she have to talk to Popcaan and tell Popcaan, say right now, you're a superstar, you have to go by the law, brother. Cause you don't see situation where go on right now and if you get so active with the law back to back, you know them who want to spite the high star. And we don't want to see a next artist behind the wall, you know what I mean? So right now people it now look good still. Cause we switch part gonna draw on them thing there. And you know say, me don't know if I jealousy or I just the law the man have to abide by. Me don't know what go on people if you don't know what really take place, drop it in the comment section. If you don't think say Popcaan have a bill, drop it in the comment section. And if you don't think say might get target as well, drop it in the comment section. You understand? Cause it's not impossible to get profile. You understand? As an artist have a status as a Popcaan. You understand? Popcaan are one of the biggest international star at the moment, currently, right now. You understand? Yeah. Popcaan thing up on a level where it takes a lot to get there and Poppy did it right now. So a lot of people might jealous of him success. And at the same time, a man have to just know him boundaries and know say when you're in a certain place and society, you have to play your cards right. You understand? And at the same time, you would have to have fun and live them life. So people, which one is it? Is it that them a target the man or yeah person even say them bad man them probably can't afford the three wheeler or what go on. And we all do know say the three wheeler cost a lot of currency, you know. But nevertheless, man fi have fun. Safe way. As them say the bike no register. Papi, we are the rasta. At the same time, you don't want an unregistered vehicle to get in a situation where somebody get hurt or actually lose them life. So you get real, you know. We have to keep it 1,000. Yeah, man. So yes, people, we switch part. The feds running from Puff Daddy. All them places them I get red. California, Miami, you name it. It a go down right now. And the craziest thing about this whole P Diddy thing, it's been years. People been making a lot of speculations, a lot of stuff, you know, a lot of accusations, you know what I mean? A lot of alleged stories. So now they got the feds with a sex trafficking raid. It's crazy. So, see, we have Vibes Cartel case right now still going, the biggest case in the world. And only if you see a next thing a kick off right now where the feds are raid another high caliber artist, you know what I mean? Puff Daddy. So this is like a worldwide news at the current moment right now. You know what I mean? At this state right now, this is I think these are going to be the two biggest news right now we speak about Vibes Cartel case and Diddy getting raid. Yeah. So people wanna know what them really are look for, why them raid and why now. And Will he be arrested and stuff like this? Will it just be a raid or is it a case where I'm gonna be under arrest? No one still know if him arrested, you know what I mean? We just know so far they said his residence getting raid and them thing there. So Jamaica, smash the like, subscribe, join the family, turn the notification bell on, drop your comments. What you think, what your thoughts are on P. Diddy residents getting raid and what are the chances of him walking away from this situation right now? You know what I mean? Yeah, cause you see now, it's like a lot of people right now getting caught up in a lot of serious stuff. Don't know what's taking place in the world, what's really going on, but it's a lot of things unfolding right now. Now, people, like, remember, you know, they've been saying a lot of things. We've been seeing a lot of things on YouTube. So, although they actually point out and say it's a sex trafficking thing, but it could lead up to so much more things. You understand? Because they could just tell you one thing and then they bring 12 more things in front of your face and tell us, say, they have all these things against you. So, let's see how this play out. Because, as you can see, if you remember with Vibes case, the man get arrested for weed. And next thing we just start here, beer things start add up. So, we don't know. When you get to them thing, it's tricky. Yeah, man. And we also switch part the great Seville L.A. Lewis forward and I clear up the whole situation because what them I say right now, Paula crash, that a go on people. This a real news. Ja, ja. LA, you're bad. Client, they must gone up, you know, my bro. Ja, ja. People are the biggest news right now. The internet no good again. King Seville does it again. The drama, where does it end? Is this really taking place on Jamaica style? Is it really going down like this, my viewers and subscribers? And to the people who new to the channel, subscribe, join the family, don't be shy. It's just one click away. Turn the notification on and drop your comment and share. Press the thumbs up. Get the content out. Now, after we see the road spray, we know so we did all I look for see the outcome. What can really happen? Now, we need some more confirmation. Is this real? Did this really happen? Did she really get in an accident? And the question is she safe and okay? You know what I mean? Because getting in an accident is one, but you need to make sure you walk away safe and so on. You know what I mean? Because it just went from scary to scary again and spooky again. And, you know, this look like it's a scary movie thing I go on around here. You know, see the whole case start turning a horror movie. How I go on? It's like them want to turn this thing in a Freddy and Jason thing. Brother, may I really wake up to hear say DPP crash. So may I say, wait, the road spray the real. The ancestors them real, them a work. Is this real? Is this news actually real and not just alleged? Cause need some confirmation, you know, cause Jaja. The client them gone up here, sir. People. Drop a comment right now. Client them must gone up right now. LA Lewis him nah nothing to do with it here, sir. LA Lewis actually clear him name and say people, it's the ancestors them I do them thing and them just connect with the ancestors. Them, you understand? So there it is. Yeah, man. So on the know say right now at this current state, if I real something this, why? I guess they will have to do what the king say. Them have to go do what LA say, right? This really, really real. Them not have to go do what LA tell them for the man. Cause LA Lewis, that means a year run a place in a king. LA Lewis a run a place, you know. I don't know that, you know. LA, make them know. Don't play with the road spray. LA Lewis not play. People, big up on yourself. I don't know the thing said. YouTube.